photo is something that answers these three questions well. What's my subject? How do I focus attention on my subject? And how do I simplify the photo? So what's my subject here? It's a little obscure. So what I wanted to photograph was the wisteria hanging through the wood slats here. So every time I do this, I might actually be getting worse. That one is definitely worse. The sky is very distracting. And again, that's not simplifying my photo. It's not focusing attention on my subject. This is a little bit better, but it's still not all about the wisteria, and that's what drew my eye. And this is definitely not about the wisteria. This is more about the wisteria. So that's my subject. This is much better. This image in particular is much better. And I like the way that the pots on either side are framing the subject. So I backed up a little bit to include a little bit more of that and actually raised my camera up to create a little bit more continuity between the wisteria and the ceiling there. So basically that's all it boils down to. If you can answer those three questions well, you have made a successful image.